Hi guys, welcome to the first online lesson of the year. I am so glad to see that you could all join me for our topic of cyberbullying. If you have any questions about today's lesson, anything you read or watch, or any of the content, just give me an email. My email will be in the first tab. Right, so today's topic is cyberbullying. What to expect from today's lesson? We're going to cover what is cyberbullying, what does it look like, how do we deal with online cyberbullying, and what are the effects? Within that, we're going to learn, we're going to play a learning app, and we're going to do a quiz at the end. Just make sure that you do all the readings and watch the video, and you'll be set. What is cyberbullying? So cyberbullying is bullying using phones, social media, and online platforms with the intent to harm. It can look like abusive texts and emails, threats, nasty comments, anything that you would think cyberbullying looks like online. In the lesson, there is a cyberbullying section and it covers what it is. When you're watching the video, I'd really like you to consider if you've witnessed cyberbullying before, what social media platform you did witness the cyberbullying on, and what did that look like? What are the effects? So cyberbullying can be catastrophic for the victim, considering that it's not just the perpetrator and the victim witnessing the cyberbullying, it is on the World Wide Web. So anybody can see it. And that can have a huge effect, and it can make them feel guilty and ashamed, anxious and stressed, and even hopeless, as it is sometimes hard to get on top of cyberbullying. There is a what are the effects of cyberbullying section as well in the lesson. That is a reading, and I really like you to consider what you think is the most common effect and what is the most detrimental to someone who is getting cyberbullied. And how do we deal with it? So this is summarized really well on the reading. So you can collect evidence, talk to a trusted person, call the police, or even report it to the eSafety Commissioner, which is the video that we first watched. Obviously, there is a how do we deal with it section in the website as well. So I'd really like you to have a read of that. And when you do go onto the website, scroll down just a little bit to the what can I do section, and that will summarize what you can do if you are cyberbullying someone or if you're getting cyberbullied. And right at the end, there is a legal aid fact sheet, which is basically a summary of cyberbullying, which I think is a really good thing that we should all read, as it really summarizes the WA legal laws and rules around cyberbullying. So that's it for this video. If you've got any questions, again, please give me an email.